Oras na naman para matuto. Samahan niyo ako ngayong araw. Ako po si Marlo at ito ang Knowledge on the Go. At ang ating on-the-go player for today ay si
Shyra.
Shyra, what is your favorite subject?
English.
English, bakit?
Mahilig po ako magsalita ng English.
Mahilig magsalita ng English. Very good. Okay, sana English ang makuha natin. English! Congratulations, Shyra. Bumunot ka na or pick a card. Okay, Shyra. Bago ang lahat. Go ka na bang mag-knowledge on the go?
Go na.
Go na si Shyra, and here is my question. Which of the following words is the opposite of beautiful? Letter A, pretty. B, pleasant. C, handsome. Or letter D, hideous?
Letter C.
Letter C, handsome. The correct answer is letter D, hideous. It's okay, Shyra. An antonym is the opposite meaning of a certain word. Hideous means ugly or disgusting to look at. Therefore, hideous is the opposite of beautiful. At dahil di mo nakuha ang tamang sagot, it's okay dahil meron ka pating prize mula sa Knowledge on the Go. Congratulations! Ano naman kayang subject ang tatalakayin natin next time? Malalaman natin yan. Samahan niyo ulit ako sa susunod. Ako po si Marlo at ito ang Knowledge on the Go!